welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are having a good day. So today's video, I thought I would come on here and do a eye look using my Fenty Beauty palette. So I haven't done any eye looks that I remember on this channel with this palette. I do have the rest of all my makeup on, but I just thought it'd be fun to come on here. I'm gonna probably do one of these once a week, maybe. Let me know what you think down in the comments where I just grab a palette. It could be a newer palette, it could be an older palette. And definitely with all my newer ones, I will do at least one or more looks with them as well. So this is just an idea I came up with. I am currently in a palette challenge with my friends here. Beth from Little Betsy _79 and Nat from Little Miss Nat, and we've been doing a ton of eye looks, and so I just thought that palettes that I decide I want to do a look on camera, I will go ahead and do. So with all that being said, I did an eye look yesterday with this palette. I wasn't feeling very well, and but I wanted to get an eye look in so I can get a use out of the palette. And so yeah, I did an eye look using this palette yesterday, and I was so happy with the way it came out. And the funny thing is that a lot of times you will have a look come out good when you're not even really trying, and that was me yesterday. I didn't feel well, but like I said, I wanted to get a look, so I went ahead and did one, and I loved the way it came out. I may redo that look, or I may do something different just so I could play with some other shades in the palette. I haven't really decided, but in yesterday's look I had taken this all over the lid. Then I took this shade here, which I want to say is Sahara Stunna right there, and I put that in the crease, but I didn't go so far up like I normally do. And then I went ahead and went in with the shade next to it, which, I'm not sure, maybe Quicksand that is, maybe. It looks like a brown, but it's a real pretty, just purpley toned color. It's so pretty. Then I went and took this one, which looks like it could be Shishma Smoke, maybe. I'm not sure, guys. Her stuff is so hard to tell the way she put the things. I put that all over the lid. I did this color here, which looks like Nuts and Dates. I put that all over the like a liner. And yeah, so I loved the way that it came out yesterday. I think I'm gonna take this color that I used yesterday, the Sahara Stunna. I'm gonna place that on the lower parts of my lid. And I will say with this palette that I was very on the fence. Like I got this in a BoxyCharm, I believe. No. Yes, I did. And some time back. I will leave that video down in the cards or in the description for you if you didn't see it. It was a month where BoxyCharm gave all Fenty products. And when I got it initially, I played in it a little bit, not as much as I, should have or wanted to. And then yesterday I was thinking, let me try this palette again. I did use it already for we also did a Black-owned makeup brand. So I did a look using this palette as well in that video, which I will leave also in the cards for you. If you haven't checked that out, it was a collab that we did with our collab group called Faithful Fab 9. Trying a lot of the shades lately, and I'm digging into them a little more, and I have to say that I'm starting to like this palette. It does have some new unique shades. It is a nice palette. I think this is now going for $29 on sale, which isn't too bad. Have that on there. Now I'm going to take a smaller blending brush, just have my color switch here, and I'm going to take color that I used yesterday because I think it would be really pretty with this idea that I have in my head. So this right here, I want to say it's this one right here. Goodness. I want to say that's Hennessy. Precisely put it right in that crease because I don't want it to go so far up. So I'm kind of going in the direction that I did yesterday with the look that I did, but I'm gonna do some couple different things. I'm using the first two shades the same. And this is a more tapered blending brush. So I want to definitely point it in the area I want it. And the steeper shade is going on the lid of the other color, which is okay. It did that yesterday and I kind of like how the shades mixed turned out. Okay, I'm going to blend all that in a little bit better too. I'm going to do one eye and then I'll go off camera and do the other eye and add my mascara just so that it's not a super long video. But so far I like the way that is looking. Just going to get a clean fluffy brush and I'm going to just blend everything kind of together. Very gently so it doesn't take so much of the product off. I think I'm going to go into this shade here, which it might be called Desert Baked. I'm not sure. It's that pretty pinky color. I'm going to place that all over the lid. Go off camera. I'm going to do the other side, add the mascara. We will come back on and we're just going to finish up. I love the way that it looks. It was very quick and easy, but I love the way that it looks. So we're just going to finish up with the lower lash line. I'm going to take this color here. This is a really pretty color. I don't know if I've dipped into that yet. I want to say that is Evil Genie. Maybe, yes. And we're just gonna put that on the lower lashes. Go in with this Rimmel Scandalized Nude Lip Liner. Eyeliner. And I'm going to put that on my waterline. going to be using this Lorac lip pencil. It's a matte lip pencil. I don't remember the color. I will try to see if I can locate it, but it is an older item and it's so pretty. Okay, so pretty. It's matte, but it's not drying at all. It doesn't irritate my lips or anything like that. Quickly just spray my face with the Pure Cosmetics Lit Mist. Friends, so this is the finished look. I really love the way it turned out. So this is the finished look. I don't know if you guys can see that real pretty red on the lash line that I did. I really love it. Pop of color. I could have put it on the lower, but I wanted to use a different shade. My skin looks glowy and dewy. So yeah, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this type of video, that you enjoyed me just doing an eye look with a palette that I haven't really played in. And like I said, I will be doing this again. This was an idea I thought of since I'm doing a palette challenge anyway. And if I do want to do a look on camera, I could share that with you guys. Again, it will be some older palettes, newer palettes, maybe in the middle. They're not too old, but they're not super new as well. If there is a specific palette that you would like me to do a look or a couple looks with, let me know that down in the comments below. If I have that palette, I would love to do that for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It does really help my channel, as well as if you are not subscribed and you want to come along with me on my YouTube journey, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a video if you're wanting to be. But I will see you guys in my next video. Have a very, very blessed day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.